Attorney John Ferdinand, Social Welfare Officer 2 of AX program, assigned in DSWD sa Field Office, Catbalogan. So, ano po ang AX? Ito po ay assistance to individuals in crisis situation. So, ito po ay tulong mula sa gobyerno para po sa mga Pilipino in crisis o doon sa mga nakaka-experience ng unexpected events sa kanilang buhay. So, like for example, yung pagkakasakit ng kanilang family member or yung pagkamatay ng family member. So, yan po yung example ng unexpected events. So, sa ngayon po, we provided medical, burial, educational, food, transportation, and other cash assistance sa mga nangangailangang individuals or families. We also provide material assistance, psychosocial support, and referral services. So, as of October 20, meron na po kaming nabigyan ng financial assistance 44,624 po na individuals. And we have disbursed an amount of 264,883,425 pesos po. So, yan lamang po sa AIS program. Thank you.
Thank you so much.